Hi guys, it's Lita. So I found a semi-shady spot where like the sun isn't crazy like that. So I think this is gonna work for this. So I posted on Instagram that I found this like crazy necklace from Vampirina. I have no idea. Basically, like, she's a vampire. I can so get behind this show. Have I seen it? No, but like, look at her outfit. Like, this is goals right here. Like, love this dress, would totally wear this dress. Have a necklace very similar to this. So I found this at a bargain hut, which is just like a thrift store or whatever, and I think it's really cute and I'm going to try and wear it. It comes with these charms, and basically the seller was the bat, the spider web, and the spider. I'm probably not going to use any of these. I figured I would do this with you guys just to see how this goes. Hopefully I don't lose any of these pieces. But as you can see, I paid $3.25 for it. A steel. Comes with instructions. Yeah, these are the instructions for the Vampirina floating locket set. So you can make a bracelet or you can make the necklace. I'm hoping that the necklace fits around me. The only thing that I'm like kind of meh is the rhinestones around it, but what are you gonna do? So yeah, these are the instructions. I'm just going to probably just put the bat and the spider web and the spider in it, just because I don't know. I do like the green star that they put on it, like on the actual sheet or whatever, but it is not actually that color. So this is it all packaged up. Ow! Oh my god. Ow! I'm underneath the goose because this is the only shady spot. So yeah, this is all packaged up. I guess I should probably try the necklace on and see if it's gonna fit. And if not, I'll put my head again. I can't get it open. I don't want it like to go freaking everywhere. Come on. Holy crap. Yay! I finally got it. Let's see if this will fit my neck. I'm hoping it'll be a choker. Oh yeah. It'll be good. I think we're good. I can't see it. I can't see the thing. Oh my god. Okay, so the next step is to open this locket. I can get that out of here. Feels like metal, kind of. I don't know. Oh god, there's stuff in here already. It's like little... Can you guys see that? There's little gemstones in there. Like rhinestones. And that's coming out. Okay, so you just open it like this, like so. The magnet seems pretty good, so hopefully this shit doesn't like get lost or whatever. Okay. Damn, dude, this feels like this like feels like an actual like proper locket, so that's cool. Alright, so we're going to just make people like, oh, we're gonna get that charm. This is kind of legit. I thought this was gonna be all plastic and it's totally not. But I am getting fingerprints over everything. Wow, this bat's huge. Okay, so I have the bat in there. Look how cute that is. Oh my god. I'm so glad I bought this. So I guess I think I'm going to, like I said, put the spider web, the bat, and the spider. And then just leave it at that because, like, I don't know, I'm not digging. First of all, like, there's this blue guy. I'll show it to you guys. Don't know who that is because, like I said, I didn't watch the show. I bought this for the spider web and the spider and the bat, basically. Oh, and then this is the bracelet that's not gonna get used. I wonder if I could extend it. Maybe I can extend the chain. It fits, but like, it's really hard for me to get it on myself, so getting it off myself is probably gonna be an issue. Right, so that is the itty bitty spider web. Look how cute that is. So we're gonna stick that in here. The bat. It says everything fits in here. I don't know. No. Okay, so the spider web is not going to fit with the bat at all. I did not anticipate that. So does that mean the spider isn't gonna fit? Probably. Probably means the spider isn't gonna fit. Because the bat's huge, like it takes up most of the friggin' locket. So, sorry if I'm getting the light, but that is the spider. I can't tell if it's focusing. There we go. That is the spider. Very cute. So let's see if we can stick him in here with the bat. Probably. I think he's like a better shape than the spider web. So I have the bat and the spider in there. Oh. But now they're like falling or whatever. Well, let me see if I can. I'm gonna try and fit the spider web in here because, like, I really kind of wanted the spider web in here too. But I'm gonna put the spider web in first, and then. Okay, so the spider web is in first, and then we're gonna try and add the spider. Yeah, it just does not. I mean, it's in there, but you can't like see at all. It's like right on top of the spider web. Do you see that? That's like kind of pointless. Okay, so let me figure out what I'm gonna do here. Okay, so after looking at the instructions, like this necklace is a straight up wire. So as you can see, this one, that is a picture of the spider and the spider web with a lot of space around it, and then two like rhinestones. But I've really tried to get the spider and the spider web in here. So they're in there right now. They're definitely not like that, and they can't go like that because there's no room. There is no room for them to go like that. So I think I'm just going to like put the bat in here and like call it a day, or maybe just leave like all three of them in here, because surprisingly all three of them can fit. Like, well, you know what the hell's going on with the necklace? Probably not, but I think I'm okay with that. It's $3, you know, whatever. So I'm going to put the bat in here, and then I'm going to try and get the necklace on so I can show you guys. But just, you know, I just wanted to like point that out. Like, some kid who bought this is going to be like pretty upset that the spider and the spider web do not go together unless they're like on top of each other. So just want to point that out. So this is the necklace on. I don't know, I think it's cute. I wonder if I can color in the rhinestones with like a Sharpie or something, because I don't like the rhinestones. But I think that the bat charm and the spider charm are super cute. So there it goes. Oh, the reflection's not too bad. But anyways, like, so I'm holding it because I couldn't get it on by myself. Like, it will fit around my neck just as the necklace part, but I have the bracelet being used as an extender. So I'll just show you guys. Just so I can get it on. It's way easier to do it this way because I can't see it's that short for me to get it on myself. But yeah, so I just used the bracelet. Locust just use the bracelet part right here as an extender so I can put it on myself. I think it'll fit around my head. No, it will not fit around my fat head. But yeah, I don't know, man. For like $3, I think it's super cute. I didn't bring any jewelry on the road trip because I'm afraid it'll break or I'll lose it or whatever. I think this for $3 is pretty freaking cute, and I'm gonna save the spider web because like the good thing about this is you can open it up and switch it out. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this, watching me put together this like charm necklace that I bought for $5. Comment down below if you have any questions about it. So okay, yeah, like let's just talk about that. That is very misleading. Does not happen. You cannot fit all of that in here. But whatever, it's cute. I like it. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions, comments. Put them in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on other social media. My links will be posted in the description box down below. Hit that notification bell so you guys know when I upload. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. So, as you can see, this one, this is